In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the volume of concrete in a cylinder in Excel. We're going to walk through a very simple Excel formula that calculates the volume of a cylinder, which is especially useful if you're estimating how much concrete you need for a round column, post hole, or any other cylindrical shape. The nice thing is that once you set this up in Excel, you can quickly reuse it with different measurements anytime you need. To get started, open Excel and go to a blank worksheet. You don't need anything complicated here. A simple sheet is perfect for this kind of quick construction or math calculation. Next, enter your sample data into the worksheet. You'll want to place the cylinder measurements into cells so Excel can use them in the formula. In this example, the formula will reference B1 and B2, so make sure your values are entered there. Typically, B1 will contain the radius of the cylinder, and B2 will contain the height. It's important to use consistent units. So if your radius is in feet, your height should also be in feet. That way, the result will come out in cubic feet. If you use inches for both, then your answer will be in cubic inches. After entering your data, click into cell B3. This is where the calculated volume will appear. Keeping the result in a separate cell makes your worksheet easier to read and helps prevent accidental changes to your input values. Now, in B3, type the formula equals PI, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, times B1 squared times B2. Written in Excel, that is EPI, B1 to B2. This formula follows the standard mathematical equation for the volume of a cylinder, which is P times radius squared times height. Excel's PI function provides the value of PI automatically, so you don't have to type it manually. The caret symbol, which is the up arrow, tells Excel to square the radius in B1. Once the formula is entered, press Enter. Excel will instantly calculate the volume based on the numbers in B1 and B2. If you change either measurement later, the result in B3 will update automatically, which is one of the biggest advantages of doing this in Excel. As a quick tip, you may also want to add labels next to your cells, such as radius, height, and volume, to make the sheet easier to understand at a glance. That can be especially helpful if you're sharing the file or returning to it later. And that's all it takes to calculate the volume of concrete in a cylinder in Excel. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.